Do we need this? Okay. Right. There we go. Oh, look at this. I found a page you did, Nicola. Does it work? Remember your popsicle sticks? Do we need to have those? Oh, you're gonna wash your hands. All right. I'll get some sheets out for you. Oh, you like those arrows, don't you? It's an arrow. Like an arrow. Because I don't know what else it's called. Arrow. Okay, arrow. Look at this. Look at this beautiful color I have. Oh, blue. The blue one. Okay. Okay. Oh, good job. Good job. Okay.
Are you making the house?
Yeah, I'm you want me to hold it for you?
Send it good.
Okay, I can hold, I know. How about we do it like this? There you go. What else do we need? Need something else, don't we? We need glue, that's what you need, glue.
That's a bite.
What, Nicola? Is there something wrong? Is there something wrong with the glue? Let me